What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you can tell by the thumbnail in the title, today we're here at Trucks and Coffee, Houston, Texas. It's a charity show event here in the YMCA in Spring Branch. Anyways, I wanted to come here and show y'all all the different types of old school classic cars, modern cars, sports cars there is here. And I'm actually very excited to actually to come see it. Well, I'm actually here already. And I'm gonna go around, show you a couple clips of everything that's here. And well, as you can see, there's a truck right there. But I'm actually very excited because there's so many clean cars, as you can tell right here. There's one coming right here. So basically, you know, people are trying to park here and you know, get a spot here and everything like that. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. It may be short, couple clips or not, but anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys after, you know, we go around and explore this place.
Private suite, privacy, here's some pressure P. I never saw ops that we finally trust. She ready through the streets with me, no question. Tiene una patita blanca y rayadita la frente. Es un oscuro gateado, le pusieron el cadete y yo.
Anyways, guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like seeing all the classic trucks, cars, and, you know, etc. I tried to put as many clips as I could. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.